Alright, so I'm going to be replacing the print head on this Epson Stylus Photo 1400. It's a really decently high-end large format printer. It's got the usual symptoms of the dried out ink in the print heads. Cleaning wasn't really successful, so yeah, I've got a new print head that has come in, and we're gonna try to install that. So you gotta power it on, wait till it gets to the middle, and then just pull the power, and that will let the print head move freely, or print head assembly move freely without breaking anything. You can come over to the side here and just open all this stuff up, and then we're gonna start by taking out the print heads, and then as I understand it, the assembly comes out. So yeah, I'm just gonna sort of stack these up and kind of go from there. Colors are labeled, which is nice. Tutorials online all kind of say you have to take the whole housing apart. I'm trying to avoid that because that looks painful. But yeah, apparently this comes out and then the print head comes out. So we will see. Okay, so spudger up this tab, spudger up that tab, and then it says disengage, but it actually feels disengaged. So we'll do that. Looks like that's it, and then so that's over. And then you can slide this over, and we'll see. Supposedly this will come out now. Alright, so that little plate just comes off. You move that out of the way, and it looks like the goal is to there's two big lugs behind here that should let us remove this assembly. Alright, so it's gonna be really hard to see, but where I have my pick, you'll actually see there's a little tab that you can just kind of get in behind, and just below this ridge, and once you get back there, this thing comes right out. All right, so yeah, so if that popped out, yeah, these are where the tabs are. So if you need a pick like this, but you'll just get behind that and lever it up, it will pop out on its own. Do the same on both sides. And then we got 1, 2, 3 Phillips head screws that we're gonna pop out. This is our old print head. Just take out the 3 Phillips head screws. Everything comes right out. I mean, some stuff I've noticed. You see some dry ink there. Yeah, you can see where kind of the main bits are. So yeah, we will replace this and kind of see where we end up. Deconditioned print head. So that's bottom. This is, this is the top, so to speak. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how this works. All right. Well, this is the new print head in place. Snap the cartridge assembly back in. Like so. This cable cover as well. It's just gonna get wedged back in there. I just want to make sure that don't do anything too weird. Before reassembly, so make sure all the wires are tucked behind into that little channel. Otherwise, this won't come back down and you're gonna have problems. All right, so I think we're sorted. So I held the power button, or sorry, the print head button for 3 seconds. Did a bit of a light cleaning. Everything started, or the test pattern started to print, except with an issue there on the dark pink. I ran a second head cleaning, and yeah, it actually looks perfect now. No gaps or anything missing. So I did a full printer test page, and that looks good as well. So I think we're in good shape now. Job done. That wasn't too bad. Thank you for watching.